In this video, I'm going to show you the best PC case fans on the market that will keep your computer running cool and quiet. Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you the best PC case fans on the market. A lot of people don't think about upgrading their case fans, but if you want to keep your computer running cool and quiet, it's a must. I've tested out all the different models and these are my top picks. So stay tuned and I'll show you which ones made the cut. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 6. Thermaltake Riing Quad 120mm 16.8 million RGB Color Fan. The Thermaltake Riing Quad 120mm 16.8 million RGB Color Fan lets you take control and personalize your lighting with 4 LED rings and 54 addressable RGB LED. With NeoMaker, you can create the perfect light show. And with TTRGB plus software and app, you can control fan speed and lights easily with a click. The fan also works with Alexa-enabled devices, not included, to control your lights. With a high airflow, 9-fan blade design, this PWM fan has speeds from 500 to 1500 RPM. Thermaltake's Riing Quad 120mm 16.8 million RGB color fan will make your case look stunning and keep it cool with its high airflow, even when operating at 1500 RPM. This sleek design also comes in different sizes for packs of 3, so you can outfit every corner or just some favorites. Either way, they're sure to light up any room like nobody else does, unless perhaps there are several similar fans present. Number 5. Be Quiet. Silent Wings 3140mm PWM High Speed BL071 Cooling Fan. This Be Quiet. Silent Wings 3140mm PWM high-speed cooling fan provides great performance-to-noise ratio, with a noise level of only 28.1 decibels. The fan also features a 6-pole fan motor for less power consumption and vibration, as well as a fluid dynamic bearing that enables a super long lifespan of 300,000 hours. Additionally, the fan frame has funnel-shaped air inlets for extremely high air pressure, and the 7 fan blades provide optimized airflow. As a premium brand, Be Quiet warranties their silent wings with an anti-vibration corner fitting and fluid dynamic bearings for long life. They have 3 types of 120mm fans, 4-pin PWM, pulse width modulation, 3-pole DC motor which they say reduces vibration compared to traditional 2+2 armatures found in most computer cooling systems today, while still providing adequate airflow at low speeds or high-volume environments where more air needs throughput immediately without stops too. Number 4. Corsair QL Series QL 120 RGB 120mm RGB LED Fan. The Corsair QL Series QL 120 RGB 120mm RGB LED fan is a great choice for your system. It features 4 lighting zones and 34 individually addressable RGB LED, which you can control with the powerful Corsair ICUE software. You can also use the Corsair ICUE RGB lighting controller, sold separately. The fan has powerful speeds up to 1500 RPM and pushes up to 41.8 CFM of air. It's also low noise and features a semi-transparent 120mm fan blade that's engineered for quiet operation. If you want to make your friends go wow when they see the impressive lights on their PC, consider buying this amazing fan from Corsair. It has 4 different lighting zones with 34 individually programmable RGB LEDs that are placed in loops around both outer and inner rings of this product, which provides even more options for stellar effects. Not only can it mimic traditional candlelight but also dynamic weather patterns like rainbows or twisters. Plus, through ICUE software, made by companies who know how difficult maintaining perfect colors can be. Setting these up becomes super easy, so there is no need worry about having messy cables everywhere anymore either, because everything will look just. Number 3. Corsair LL Series LL120 RGB 120mm Dual Light Loop RGB LEDs PWM Fan 3 Fan. Add some serious style to your PC with the Corsair LL Series LL120 RGB 120mm Dual Light Loop RGB LEDs PWM Fan. These fans feature 16 independent RGB LEDs split between 2 separate light loops and are controlled by software, with the included Corsair lighting node. You can customize the RGB lighting effects to match your system or mood, and even adjust the fan speed between 600 RPM and 1500 RPM. The hydraulic bearing ensures smooth, low-noise operation, and the 120mm fan blade is engineered for high performance without sacrificing noise levels. The introduction of the Corsair ML120 RGB fan has taken PC gaming to a new level. They have fitted 48 individually addressable LED that enhance your system's aesthetics in any color or pattern you choose for just about limitless customization. Not only does this sleek-looking device light up all over, but it also ensures no detail is left uncovered when examining its manufactured quality. Each cushion padding prevents anything from sounding too noisy to vibration. ARY noise-canceling technology incorporated into their design makes these premium products even more valuable than before. Number 2. NZXT Air RGB2 HF 28120B1 120mm Advanced Lighting Customizations. The AER RGB2 is the next generation of premium PC case fans, built for users who demand advanced lighting and performance. The AER RGB2 series fan delivers enhanced static pressure performance and includes a redesigned custom light guide to create stunning visual effects with uniform light dispersion. With advanced lighting modes and an included PWM hub, the AER RGB2 provides users with complete control over their case's lighting. NZXT AER RGB2 is all about aesthetics and lighting. They provide gorgeous-looking cases as well. With high values for money, great produces among best case fans, the control over your PC overall look with this product becomes even more impressive when compared to other brands that have less features at half price, but still don't match up in terms of value or performance. Number 1. Corsair ML120 120mm Premium Magnetic Levitation Fan. Corsair ML120 Premium Magnetic Levitation Fans provide lower noise, higher performance, and a longer lifespan. Harnessing magnetic levitation technology, these fans operate flawlessly in the most challenging environments. Custom rotor design delivers the perfect balance between high static pressure and high airflow, while extensive control range gives you total control between silence and absolute performance. The Corsair ML120 offers superior magnetic levitation technology, combined with custom-engineered rotors. This provides an unrivaled high performance that gives out lower noise, and thanks to the bear in place, it has a longer lifespan too. The wide fan blades and angle at which they lie make sure there's excellent static pressure for cooling systems, while also providing airflow perfection through your whole PC or Mac setup, even when compared against other brands' models of fans. How to choose best PC case fans. Choosing the best PC case fans for your gaming computer can be a daunting task. There are so many different sizes, brands, and features to choose from that it can be hard to know where to start. In this video, we will walk you through the basics of choosing the right PC case fans for your system and give you some tips on what to look for when making your purchase. So whether you are a seasoned gamer looking to upgrade your setup or just starting out and need some help, keep reading to learn more.